lot of new AI image generators out there, but some of them either generate low quality image. Even though they generate high quality image, they will ask you to pay before you download, or they will allow you to download, but it will have a watermark. The AI image generators I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video are 100% free, and you can generate high quality image and of course download them without watermark. So the first AI tool is ChatGPT. Now a lot of people don't know that ChatGPT can also generate high quality images for absolutely free. The only downside is that if you are using the free version of ChatGPT, it will only allow you to generate up to 5 images per day. So if I come over here to ChatGPT, I believe a lot of you guys watching this video now have ChatGPT account. But if you don't have, you can just go to chatgpt.com and create an account. It's absolutely free. So I'm just going to show you guys some examples. Now, when giving ChatGPT a prompt to generate or create an image for you, you need to make sure you add everything you want the image to have. So the more detailed your prompt is, the more realistic your image will be. So here you can see I am asking ChatGPT to generate a highly realistic cinematic portrait of Will Smith enjoying a plate of spaghetti. Now I can just leave it like this, but it's not going to give me what I want. So I went on further to say he is seated at a modern dining table, captured mid-bite with a relaxed natural expression. The lighting is soft and warm, highlighting detailed facial features and realistic skin texture. The spaghetti appears freshly prepared with rich sauce and visible steam. Shallow depth of field, professional food photography style, ultra high resolution, natural colors and realistic shadows for a clean premium look. So this is everything I want the AI to generate. So if you're asking any AI or ChatGPT to create an image for you, you need to be very detailed with your prompt. If you give it a basic prompt, you will get a basic result. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and click over here. Let's go ahead and wait for it to generate. All right, so you can see right here ChatGPT actually created a high quality image of Will Smith. You can see the facial expression, you can see the earrings background, and you can see the food right here. This is even more than some paid AI tools out there. And of course we asked it to create it in portraits. If you ask it to create it in landscape, which is horizontal, it is still going to do that. For example, I'm going to tell it to create a horizontal image for this. So I'm going to tell it to recreate the same image in landscape or horizontally. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. So you can see on the screen here, it actually recreates this image horizontally. So you can see the first one, it's created in portrait, and I asked the AI to recreate the same image in landscape, and you can see that it still keeps the quality and everything right here. So ChatGPT can actually create high quality images for free. The only downside is that you can only create up to 5 images per day. You can simply wait for the next 24 hours and the timer is going to reset again. You will start creating your images again for free. You can download these images with no watermark. All right, so the second AI tool is called Leonardo.ai. This AI tool also allow you to create free images on their platform. Of course, they have their paid version, but you can actually come over here and create free images every single day. They give you 150 credits every single day, which will allow you to create up to 5 or 10 images per day, depending on the type of image you want to create. Some of the image takes around 8 credits, some of them take up to 10 credits or even up to 20 credits per image. It depends on how complicated your image is. Now you can see I've already used some credits out of my 150 credits. I only have 134 credits left, but this credit resets every single day. So once you sign up, this is where it's going to take you. There are lots of things you can do here. You can generate images, you can also generate videos. So if you want to generate images, just go ahead and click on image. Once you tap on it, it's going to open up and take you right here. And over here, they have some settings here. You can select the style. So if I click on style here, they have cinematic, creative, dynamic, fashion, portrait, stock photo, vibrant. For the purpose of this video, we are going to be creating a cinematic image. So select on it. Down here they have image dimensions. You can select 2x3, 1x1, 16x9. You can also click here to customize the ratio you want. I'm going to go for 16x9. Then over here you can select the numbers of images you want to create. So you can create 1 image, you can create 2 images, 3 images, 4 images. And if you click over here, you can create up to 8 images with just one prompt. Now if you want to create more than one image per prompt, you need to upgrade your account. So you can see here, this is actually available for only Pro members. For the free version, you are only allowed to create one image per prompt. So let's just go ahead and paste in our prompts here, which is the prompt we also use in ChatGPT. So I'm not going to read it out again. Click on generate. So once I click on generate, you can see that my credits now dropped from 134 to 94 credits. Over here you can see it actually generates a high quality image of Will Smith eating spaghetti. You can go ahead and download this image for free with no watermark. You can see how high quality this image actually looks. So for example, let me just go ahead and save this image. So you see, I'm just going to go ahead and save it to my laptop. So it's downloaded. Let's go ahead and view it. Boom, you can see this is currently on my laptop, and you can see that there is no watermark. So the next AI tool is called Perchance.org. I'm going to write it on the screen so you see it very clearly. This AI tool is also 100% free to generate images, and the cool thing about this AI image generator is that you don't even need to sign up before you start creating images. All you need to do is to type in Perchance.org, and it's going to take you straight to the website where you can start generating free images without even signing up. You can actually generate unlimited images, unlike other AI tools that will only allow you to generate a certain amount of images per day. This one is actually unlimited. So all I'm going to do is to go ahead and paste in the same prompt, so we don't need to go through the prompt again. We already know the result we are going to get. Now over here they have what is called the anti-description. It actually means the things you don't want the image to have. And over here you can select the style. So you can see here they have painted, anime, casual, cinematic, digital painting, concept arts. So you can see they have a lot of stuff here you can actually go ahead and select, but we are actually going to select cinematic. So let's leave it on cinematic. Here you can select the shape, whether you want a square or you want it portrait or landscape. We're going to leave it on landscape, and over here you can select how many images you want. So we are just going to leave it on 2, and then we are just going to go ahead and generate it. Once you click on generate, you can see down here it's actually generating 2 images with just one prompt. So let's go ahead and wait for the results. All right guys, so after waiting, you can see it actually generates the image for us, but I'm not going to lie, I'm not impressed with these images. This one is looking a bit better, but this one is completely off based on the prompt we submit. The thing is that you can also come over here and redo it. Just click over here and it's going to generate another image for you. So just keep on doing that until you get exactly the type of image you want to create. Remember, this is an AI and it is prone to making mistakes. Your job here is to go ahead and redo it over and over again until you get the results you actually want. Alright, so the next free AI image generator is called SeaArt.ai. Now, this is also a paid tool, but it also gives you free credits to create images every single day. Once you hit the daily limit, you can go ahead and wait till the next 24 hours to come back. So you can see here you can generate image, you can generate videos, and also AI characters. But what we are going to talk about in this video is the image generation. So go ahead, click on the image generation. Here you can see their interface is almost looking like Leonardo.ai. This is where you can select the dimension of the image you want to create. So if you click on more here, you can select any dimension right here. So for me, I'm just going to go with 16 by 9, which is going to be horizontal or landscape. Then over here you can select how many images you want to create. In this video I'm just going to leave it for 2. So let's go ahead and paste our prompts. So once again, we are using the same prompts. All I'm going to do is to just come down over here and click on generate, and boom guys, you can see right here it actually creates 2 images as we selected. So let me tap on each of them to open, and remember you can always redo them if the first generation is not good. You can see that there's no watermark attached to it. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like to the video, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I put out another video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.